usually don't have permanent residents. We have animals coming in, getting helped on, getting taught about for the locals, really how they live in the local environments, and then released back into the wild. There's only one permanent resident. She's a little sea otter by the name of Mishka. Mishka back in 2015 contracted asthma. Jill sea otter started to breathe wildfires in the area. We did teach her how to use a modified cat inhaler. So she pooped it with her nose, get a little puff of medicine, get a treat as a reward. And you can still see her today at the aquarium. Along with all kinds of other critters, we have seals, sea lions, all sorts of things. We have a new addition, the Ocean Pavilion. We're walking on top of a coral reef themed tank. Lots of fish, different things.
야, 전망대 보인다, 야, 저기. 저 앞에 우수성 같은 거. 수정아, 이거 여기다가 올려놓게 조심해.
Some roadways to get up to Pike Place nowadays. Pretty nice path. Pike Place about halfway up that hill. All those red umbrellas sticking out. In between those red umbrellas, all the way over to the mural of the woman that we're just have to stand. Pike Place, one of the other places that don't look as nice from the water as it does actually on land. Recommend getting out there.
수정아, 너 일어서봐 잠깐.
Tourist track, but it's
수정아, 잠깐 일어서봐. 배 앞에 사진 찍어줄게.
There are 5 levels to the market.
앞에 딱 빨리.
All around. People kind of get stuck up top, street level, on the oldest surviving Starbucks, find the big fish throwers. But there are 5 levels. Go down below, explore the rest. You'll find something new every time you go to the market. Locals like myself go there as much as we can as well. One of our first big ships here in port. This is the first cruise terminal we built back in 2000. Broad Street Terminal. Cruise ship we're looking at right there. Actually on the side, 7 Seas Mariner. About 700 passengers or so. Well under the size that a lot of these cruise ships get.
정아.
Cruise ships over 100 feet long here, with TU or passenger counts of upwards of 4,000. So basically walking the cities. So we're definitely on the smaller end. Still tons of amenities. See it. House here on the water. It's the only one that's built over the water itself. This being the Edgewater Hotel. Big E on top, mustard yellow down below.
손 흔드는 사람이 없어.
Gray along the side. Ahead of us, it's a starboard bow right now. The Edgewater Hotel ties in really well with the history here in Seattle. It was built back in 1962 for the World's Fair we had here in the city. About a 6-month-long event.
손 흔드는 사람이 없어. 저기 탑 보인다. 저기 가야지.
We had 10 million or so people coming to town. So people go to the Edgewater Hotel, wanted to house them, and then they were going to break down the hotel afterwards. Vessel we're looking at just from the right side down the water. So the Victoria Clipper there, the slip here, blue, red, white vessel, actually goes all the way up to Canada. So we have 2 different little Clipper class vessels that'll leave here from the port, just out here 69. The Victoria Clipper and the San Juan Clipper. I don't see a San Juan right now. Victoria Clipper all into Canada. The San Juan Clipper actually does whale watching tours around the area, about a 3-hour excursion out through Puget Sound. So worth it if you want to go and look at us right now on the coast side. The other farther door over there on on the sculpture part representing our Cascades volcanic mountain range. Halfway the farther grass, a little more yellow, a little less lush, represents eastern Washington. So sculpture park also itself is sculpture. It's open to the public, you know what it does. Ties really well into another one of our parks here down at the waterfront. This being one of Edwards. You'll see 3 distinct pocket beaches all along this park. Walking paths with that train going by. It's part of the train path here. A lot of history in relation to us and trades. city they were looking at. Most of us guess Chicago. It's really a distinct part of Seattle. There are 5 levels to the Needle. They've recently redone some of their elevators, made a double-decker, having more people going up and down, also added some more glass viewing space. But you'll go all the way up to the top level. The saucer is the top floor is observation deck. And you go down one more level, and that actually was a rotating restaurant. It's rotated about 45 minutes in a full 360. It was setting so smooth and so slow if you had a martini and your glass wouldn't shake. Nowadays they've changed some of that, taken out some of that restaurant floor, added in glass flooring down below you, glass in front of you, get a full 360 view of everything around you.
어?
자리가 없어.
없어? 저 앞에 갈까? 여기 앉자.
Light full, and then when they're getting refilled, restocked up, they'll go start shrinking down to the water, get off that way. This one, about 12 meters down below, so almost 40 meters down below. A lot of this shit you can't actually see right now. Stacked containers down to the bottom of it. Get a crane operator position here in Seattle. It's really highly sought after, pretty hard to get that position. Back in 2015, we had a couple of jobs open. We're about to be back to Pier 55. So I'm going to turn from your narrator into your deckhand. Show time the boat pano on the right side, starboard side of the vessel. You guys all got up on the left side, so you go on the other side. We'll do the same thing, going back and forth. We're also going to close down the stairs on the front, so we'll ask you to go to the back. Just want to thank you all for spending the last hour with myself and us.
나 여기서 딱 정면에 찍었어.
오! 잘 들어가나 못하나. 꺼졌어?
Oh yeah, anthems. That's they're a restaurant first and foremost.